How to connect Wahoo to Strava. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Strava on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then you will find U option at the bottom right corner of your screen. Click on it. Then click on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. In here, you will find Manage Apps and Devices. Click on it. After you've clicked on it, you'll find this kind of screen. In here, click on Connect a device to Strava. After that, you'll find all these options. Simply click on Wahoo. After you have clicked on Wahoo, you can connect your Wahoo device by clicking on Show Instruction and connect it from here. And this is how to connect Wahoo to Strava. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.